Upgrade your kitchen with smart, budget-friendly appliances that save time and make cooking easier, from quick breakfasts to full meals. Perfect for busy, modern homes. This is one of our top kitchen picks, the Gooseneck electric kettle. With fast heating and precise pour control, it's perfect for coffee and tea lovers and a great fit for any modern kitchen. The KitchenAid food chopper is a versatile and reliable kitchen tool that quickly chops vegetables, fruits, nuts, and herbs, and is also great for making sauces, dips, and purees. Its compact design and easy one-touch control make everyday food prep fast and simple. Bialetti Stovetop Espresso Maker. The Bialetti Stovetop Espresso Maker brings rich, authentic espresso right to your home. Built with a classic design and simple stovetop operation, it brews bold, flavorful coffee in minutes without the need for expensive machines. Perfect for coffee lovers who enjoy a traditional espresso experience with great taste and reliability. Next on our list is Lifewit Silverware Drawer Organizer. The Lifewit Silverware Drawer Organizer helps keep your kitchen neat and clutter-free. Its adjustable design fits most drawers and neatly organizes forks, spoons, knives, and utensils. Durable, practical, and easy to use, it's a simple solution for a more organized kitchen. Next on our list is the Norpro Honey and Syrup Dispenser. Designed to keep your kitchen mess-free, it features a no-drip design for smooth, controlled pouring. Perfect for honey, syrup, and sauces, it's a simple but smart addition to any kitchen. Next on our list is the Magic Bullet Blender. Compact yet powerful, this blender is perfect for making smoothies, shakes, and sauces in seconds. Easy to use and easy to clean, it's ideal for everyday blending in busy kitchens. Next on our list is the Instant Pot Duo Cooker. This all-in-one appliance pressure cooks, slow cooks, steams, and more, helping you prepare delicious meals faster with less effort. Perfect for busy households and everyday cooking. Next on our list is the Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker. It lets you prepare 2 fresh, hot breakfast sandwiches in just minutes. Perfect for busy mornings when you want a quick, homemade meal without the wait. Next on our list is the MOSFiATA Magnetic Knife Block. This stylish and space-saving knife block keeps your knives securely in place with a strong magnetic hold while adding a modern look to your kitchen. Next on our list is the Crock-Pot Electric Lunch Box. This convenient lunch box makes it easy to enjoy warm, homemade meals wherever you are. Simply plug it in and let it heat your food evenly at work, school, or while traveling. Compact, portable, and easy to use, it's a great solution for busy schedules and anyone who prefers fresh meals on the go. Next on our list is the Aaobosi Electric Meat Grinder. This powerful and easy-to-use meat grinder lets you grind fresh meat at home with ease. It delivers consistent results and is perfect for preparing burgers, sausages, and other homemade meals. Next on our list is the Qcen Juicer Machine. This juicer helps you make fresh, homemade juice in minutes with fast extraction and simple operation. It's easy to clean and perfect for adding healthy drinks to your daily routine. Next on our list is the Ninja Air Fryer Pro. This powerful air fryer helps you enjoy crispy, delicious food with little to no oil. It delivers fast, even cooking for fries, chicken, vegetables, and more, making meals healthier without sacrificing flavor. With easy-to-use controls and a spacious basket, it's perfect for busy kitchens and everyday cooking. Next on our list is the Amazon Basics Wide Slot Toaster. Designed for everyday convenience, it easily fits bagels and thick slices of bread while delivering evenly toasted results every time. Simple controls and a compact design make it perfect for busy morning. Next on our list is the Bella Electric Griddle. This versatile griddle offers a large cooking surface, making it easy to prepare pancakes, eggs, burgers, and more all at once. Perfect for family meals, quick breakfasts, and everyday cooking. Like, comment, and subscribe for more kitchen must-haves.